Good morning, kabayan. Welcome to another episode of our open house tour, a single attached unit in Imus, Cavite. Property for today is located just along Aguinaldo Highway here in the Grand Park Place, Anabung, Imus, Cavite. So near ito, Metro Manila, and malapit din ito sa NAIA, no? And Cavitex as well kasi nga along Aguinaldo Highway lang siya and malapit sa mga commercial establishments. So before we start our open house tour, don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so get notified whenever we upload new house tour videos. So tara, let's begin our house tour. So I forgot to introduce myself, kabayan, di ba? This is Tina of Exosia Properties. So itong property na ito, again, this is a single attached unit at may lot area na 150 square meters and total developed area of 197.50 square meters. So we have two sets of gate. We have a vehicular gate and also a pedestrian gate or the service gate. So before tayo pumasok sa loob, let us take a look sa facade nitong property na ito. As you can see, more of it is meron tayong white color combination which gives you a brightening appearance, total brightening appearance of your facade. And meron ka din diyang syempre light gray color and dark gray dyan sa ating vertical element. And also the balcony, meron siyang shade of brown. While we have here a stone walls or accent stone here sa facade na dark gray. So in total, you have a neutral and clean backdrop nitong ating facade. Na yung kaniyang colors ay nagko-complement naman sa isa't isa. Well, dito sa ating gate, meron ka ditong dark brown. Siguro choco brown ito, kung tawagin. And also here sa ating pedestrian gate, meron din siyang choco brown na color. So we also have here an exterior lights dito sa ating gate. And meron tayo syempre ng doorbell na merong concrete na bubong at ang ating house numbers as well. And as you can see dito sa ating carport area, medyo elevated yan pataas and naka-pebbled na din yung flooring yan. So tara at pasukin na natin ang loob. So here's the pathway natin dito, naka-tiles. So upon entering, kabayan, so meron tayong small steps pataas kasi nga medyo elevated siya. And naka-tiles na din yan. So side by side ang ating pocket gardens. So tara dito. So we have sliding window dito sa front side and ito ang ating main entrance door. But before we have an entrance here, dito muna tayo sa carport. This is a two-vehicular carport and as you can see, medyo covered itong area natin, no? Though not entirely kasi nga andito yung ating balcony. So you have here also a faucet. So this will be your source of water pag maglilinis ka na ng iyong mga sasakyan. And also, meron ka ditong outlet. Ayan, may saksakan ka dito. And so, may provision ito for cable and internet and telephone. So, mag-a-apply ka na lang. Meron ka nang nakaabang for that. So, come on at pumasok na tayo sa loob. So, tara. So, here, pagpasok natin, this door, our main entrance door, is a solid wood. So, ang ating lock is nakakipad lock na din yan. And as you can see, makikita mo na kung saan mo ilalagay ang iyong living area. Though this is an open layout, makikita mo na naka-divide na yung layout ng iyong ground floor. And meron ka din dito syempre for a nice ventilation. Meron kang sliding window sa side na to. So hindi siya open na open para hindi siya malaki talaga na sliding window. Para syempre yung privacy, di ba, maganda. Meron ka din syempre mga PVC panel dito para meron ka namang accent sa iyong living area. And then dito sa side na ito, ang iyong sliding window, ang magiging view naman dyan is yung iyong lanay area. So going here, this is the dining area. So, ayan, yung kabuuan na to, itong middle part is the dining area. And yun nga yung lanay. Papakita ko rin naman yan sa inyo mamaya. And meron tayo ditong toilet and bath, which is Jack and Jill toilet and bath. So, accessible din yan sa bedroom 1 dito sa ground floor. Complete fixtures din yan from floor to ceiling ang tiles. Ang sukat ng tiles natin dito sa ground floor is 60 by 60. And then this is our kitchen area. So meron yung fitted cabinets, no, hanging, and merong base, meron ding drawer. Plus, ang ating kitchen countertop is made up of granite tiles. Meron din tayong light gray dito na backsplash. So meron din yung accent na design. And ang ating fixtures ay, so modern na yan, imported fixtures naman ang ginamit. And ito ang ating sink. Also, meron tayo ditong sliding window and may sliding net din tayo dito. Okay, so kapag ikaw ay medyo naiinitan, buksan mo lang yung bintana na yan. Ano? Maganda na ang pasok ng natural air dito sa ating, ang in and out of the air dito sa ating ground floor. So before tayo mag-proceed sa service area, papakita ko muna ang bedroom 1. So this is the bedroom 1 sa ground floor. You can use this as a maid's room, PWD room. Pwede din itong office room, so it will be all up to you. Meron ka dito ang hanging cabinets. Okay? And then hanging cabinets, awning window sa side na to. Yan, awning window and fixed window dito sa may baba. And yung kanina nakita nyo na complete fixtures ito. So Jack and Jill siya dahil through and through ang kaniyang access. So may access sa bedroom 1 and may access din ito palabas dito sa living area. So come on at sumunod kayo, pumunta tayo sa service area. So this door will lead you to the service area. Here's the service area. So kanina galing tayo doon sa carport, dito muna tayo sa side na to. Ayan. So this is the lanai part going to, our pathway going to the lanai. Makita nyo, pebbled na din ang flooring niyan. And this is the lanai. So ito yung pinakita ko sa inyo na sinabi ko, yung view nito sa living area is itong lanai. Then ito yung sliding door, access going here sa lanai. So ayan, pumunta naman tayo dito. Service area. So I hope hindi kayo nahihilo. But as you can see, naka-fence na rin tayo, no? So, lilipat ka na lang talaga dito sa property na ito. Ito yung ating service counter. So, naka-tiles na din yan. Meron ding outlet and may faucet din. So, the laundry area, you can put your washing machine here. So, nandito naman ating provisions. And meron din tayong outlet and faucet as well. Plus, included din itong Inca water tank. So, ang capacity nito is 700 liters. So, paikot ang iyong property but you still have a setback on the left side of the house kung facing ka dito. So, estimated na sa roughly 1 to 2 meters ang isang setback dito sa side. So, ayan, makikita nyo, painted ng white itong part na ito. So, tara, I think it's time to check the second floor. So this is our stairways going to the second floor, pero pakita ko lang na katabi ng toilet and bath sa ground floor, meron ka ditong space. So pwedeng ganyan lang ang ilagay mo dyan, or pwede mo pa siyang gawing storage area para mas maging useful siya, diba? So here, our stairways, ang ating thread, yung inaapakan na niyan, is made up of apitong, which is a solid wood. And then itong ating hand railings is a solid wood as well, pero ang kanyang baluster is steel. So tara at umakyat tayo dito sa second floor. So sa pag-akyat mo, meron din dyang mga sets of window, a fixed window and awning window dyan sa side na yan. So you have a total of 3 bedrooms dito sa second floor. And unahin na natin itong bedroom na sa kanan ko. This will be the bedroom 1. Meron ka ditong malaking sliding window with a sliding net as well. Kasya dito, single to double size bed. You also have a vanity area and built-in cabinet. So, ayan, from almost floor to ceiling yan. So, malaki naman ang capacity. Marami kang mailalagay dyan. Also, shared ang toilet and bath nito sa bedroom number 2. So, complete fixtures from floor to ceiling ang tiles. Meron ka din syempre shower and closure. So, meron niyang shower din sa loob. So, tayo ay mag-check na ng bedroom number 2. Pero syempre, dun tayo sa harap duman. So for the bedroom number 2, this is just adjacent to the bedroom 1. And the measurement of the bedroom number 2, if I will compare it to the bedroom number 1, mas malaki po ito sa bedroom number 1. So from floor to ceiling ang height, no? Malaki din ang capacity nito. Ayan, may drawer pa. And also you have vanity area. May drawer din. So, same with the bedroom 1. Sa master's bedroom, meron din ito. And may shelf. So, ito yung door kanina, no? Since shared nga siya. So, at my back is the primary bedroom. So, dito sa primary bedroom, meron itong with ensuite toilet and bath. May bathtub, wall niche, from floor to ceiling ang tiles. Then ito, gray siya ang color niya. And then, you have here a lavatory and mirror copper frieze. You also have a toilet bowl. And meron ka ditong sliding window. So, mali ang bukas ko. Paganto. Ayan. Sliding window and may sliding net. So, dito, maganda pa din ang CR with shower and closure as well. So, as you can see, ito ang shower niya. Yan. So, meron niyang abang for the heater, na provision for a single point heater and may wall niche din yan. So, tara na at i-check natin ang paglalagyan naman ng iyong bed dito sa primary bedroom. So, makikita mo na dito mo talaga ilalagay ang iyong headboard dahil dito nakalagay ang accent fluted panel mo. So, PVC panel. You also have a fixed window here, cornered window, and meron ka din sliding window sa side na to with a sliding net as well. So, ito ang view mo pag pumunta ka dito. Makikita mo? Ayan. Okay. So, yan ang view sa side na yan. So, since this master's bedroom or your primary bedroom ay nasa front ng iyong property, so ang access ng balcony ay nandiyan din. But, you have a 4-door built-in cabinet. Okay? So, may mga shelves yan and drawer as well. Ang height from floor, almost floor to ceiling din ang height. And katabi niyan, yung vanity area. So, this is the balcony part. So, ayan. Dito sa side na to and here also. Ayan. So, naka-tiles na din ang flooring ng ating balcony. So, kung nagustuhan mo ang ating house tour for today, kabayan, the price, the details of the price of this property, nasa description box po yan. Again, kabayan, nasa description box. So, huwag kayong magagalit kung hindi ko sinasabi ang price because prices of the property, kabayan, please take note na lagi po yung pataas. So, pwede kong sabihin ngayon na ganito ang price, but eventually, from the time na mabili, iba yung price. So, medyo mas malilito kayo nun. But for now, I'll update naman kung magkakaroon ng price differences. Pero nga, nasa description box. So, i-click mo lang yung view more dyan sa title, sa ilalim ng aking house tour. Makikita mo na yung details niyan and also contact number ko. Nasa end of the video, nandun din yan sa description box, kabayan. Again, lot area is 150 square meters and total developed area is 197.50 square meters. So again, kabayan, this is Tingap of Exosia Properties. Thank you for watching.